Just doing a dry fitting. Make sure everything's good. I'm gonna have a support, maybe a hook up there and a hook over there. Tie this down, lift it up. So, but this is the perfect height. Put an eyelet in there. Eyelet. I'm gonna have a tie down, support the end of the tube. Now I am putting Teflon, securing everything. I did put some O-ring in there just to sit flush and have a little bit of pressure or some good sitting in there, some good seal. There you go. Even pressure. Nobody's using this. Let's turn this off. You have more pressure. That's it. You want to get jiggy with it? That's it. Does it look unprofessional? Absolutely. Does it work? Definitely. My house is not $1 million house, so this will do. Makes me happy, makes the wife happy. So all the parts that I got is from the plumbing section at Home Depot. It's PVC. If you are going to do this, you might want to measure your shower. If you don't have that adapter, the silver adapter, that one, because that one came with this, and then I bought another one which is smaller. So obviously that is not a permanent solution. I will be doing something else. I don't know yet, but everything is easy. No leak. That's it.